Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And today we're doing a Dollar Tree haul. It's springtime and I have to go pick up some cleaning supplies. So come with me and I'll show you some stuff that I got. Okay, let me show you what I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, these are kitchen bags. I got 2 bags for free, so I got 14, and they're lemon scented. So I got 4 of these boxes, and then I got me some shower curtain liners. They're magnetic liners, and I got me 2 of them clear. I also got reusable gloves. I go through these like crazy for cleaning. And since it's springtime, you need gloves. I always pick up duct tape. So this duct tape is just a regular gray duct tape. They had the heavy duty, but they were out when I got there, so I just picked up the regular. This is Breezy. They're fabric softener sheets for the dryer. I got an extra 5, so I picked them up. They have a nice little scent, not a very strong scent, but it does make it kind of smell good. Reynolds wrap. I love me Reynolds wrap. I don't like any other foil. And I was able to get one for $1 at Dollar Tree. I'm going to try to get some more of these for barbecue. Window cleaner to clean the windows. I like to get the big one and fill up the squirt bottle. It's cheaper that way, so that's what I have here. I saw these on Rosa Beauty Fashion channel. On her dollar haul. She had gotten carpet cleaner. She said it was for heavy traffic, and she said it worked pretty good. So I went and I picked up 5 cans of these. I picked up 5 cans of these. Compared to Resolve, I did try it on a dirt spot, and it did lift it right up. So I think I'm gonna like this. Thank you, Rosa Beauty Fashion. I got some dog biscuits. My doggie, she likes these for, they're pretty small. She chews it like in 2 bites, but they have chicken and turkey and bacon and sausage flavor. It's a mixed flavor, so it's good for when I'm training her to do things or to listen. Bergamot here, grease. Bergamot is an old time hair grease. I like it. It keeps my scalp nice and greasy for my braids. But when I'm not greasing my scalp, I use the olive oil hair sheen. You probably have seen this when I've done my hair channels. I use this Lust-Eye. I use the hair sheen, and I also use the detangler, and they're really good. iPhone glass protector. I use my iPhone to film, and the glass protector, this one says that it's anti-fingerprint coating, anti-shatter protection, and scratch protection. So you can't beat it for $1. I hope it's just easy to put on. I got lighters for those who smoke and come in the house. Snack-wise, I got pork rinds. This one you got 50% extra. It's barbecue flavor. And this one is regular flavor. I want to show you something that I picked up that I thought would help me with spring cleaning. And each part is $1. So let's start with the pole. You buy the pole, and it's got like a twisty thing on the end, and the pole is $1. This could go into here, and this is $1, and it's to be able to do the wet floors. This goes with this, and this is the wet sweeper cloth refills, and you get 20, and they're lemon scent $1. But you also is able to get a brush, which could go into that hole. And the brush bristles is medium. They're not very hard, so it's good for scrubbing. Also, it's able to get this, which is a microfiber mop head. And so altogether, to do the floors, I got the scrub brush, the mop, microfiber mop head, the wet cloths, the cloth holder, and the stick, and they were all $1 each, so that was $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, and I was able to get all of this together. It also fits Swiffer sweepers, so if you got a Swiffer, these can also fit that as well. And this is something that's new at my Dollar Tree. Hope you enjoyed the Dollar Tree haul. Don't forget, subscribe.